Hello, I am M. Yusuf D. Mehman from Matiari. Today I teach you exercise 1 of Unit 4.5 Study Skills of English Class 9 New Course. Dear students, I am going to read a story. Listen it very carefully and then answer these 4 questions which I have written on the whiteboard. So, first of all, please listen to the story very carefully. Long ago, there was a stork and his friend the fox. They lived in a jungle. The fox was famous for being cunning. The stork, on the other hand, was known for being kind and gentle. One day, the fox invited the stork for dinner and served him soup in a dish. The stork was unable to have the soup because the soup has thinly spread out in the dish, so he could not manage to have it with his long beak. He had to return home hungry. Next week, the stork invited the fox for dinner and served fish in a narrow vase. The fox could not reach the fish at the bottom of the narrow vase and had to return home hungry. This is called tit for tat. He did to the fox what the fox had done to him. The question is, was this the best the stork could have done? Should the stork have behaved in the same manner as the fox? Couldn't he have behaved in a different manner? The stork had many choices. He could have served the fox in a utensil that was suitable for him and could have set an example of true hospitality. Better still, he could have invited some other animals as well and could have served each one of them their favorite food in the utensils that would suit them. The same is true for us human beings. We should also not follow tit for tat with our friends and family. Our relationships will become better if we stop following the tit for tat rule. God tells us to replace the bad with the good. We must follow this rule. Let us promise that even if someone does something bad to us, we will be good to them. This will make the world a better place. Now, let's do the exercise. You can do this exercise on your notebooks also. But here I am going to solve this exercise. Number 1, circle the characters of the story. Hare, tortoise, fox, dove, stork. Fox, stork. These are the true characters in the story. Number 2, what was the relationship between the characters? Circle the correct answer. Relatives, friends, neighbors, siblings. They were friends. Question number 3. Who served in the following utensils? Write the names of the characters in the space provided. This is a dish. The fox. Vase, stork. Now question number 4. Tick the choices. The stork had according to the author. The stork could have invited other animals and served all of them in jugs. Number B. The stork could have served in a container suitable for the fox. Number C. The stork could have invited other animals too and served them all in containers suitable for each of them. Number D. The stork could have served in a bottle that had a broad base. The correct options are B and C. Here the question says, tick the choices that the stork had according to the author. These two choices are according to the author. Thank you very much.